Scene script. A seismic shift is underway in the realm of legal tech, transforming the way businesses manage their legal spend. This revolution is not just about innovation, it's about bringing transparency, efficiency, and precision to the world of legal billing. In the heart of this revolution, we find Brightflag, a pioneering legal tech company. Recently, Brightflag has launched an impressive new tool, the GenAI capability, designed to redefine the process of invoice review. The GenAI capability is a groundbreaking system that generates invoice summaries for clients using the power of artificial intelligence. This innovative tool is poised to bring a new level of clarity to the often complex and opaque world of legal billing. Brightflag's GenAI system shines a light on the work done by outside counsel, providing invoice reviewers with concise, AI-generated summaries. This streamlining of the invoice review process is more than just a convenience. It's a game changer. Why, you may ask? Well, better management of legal spend is the answer. With GenAI's ability to deliver clear and concise summaries, businesses can now have a bird's-eye view of their legal spend. This means more control, less wasted time, and ultimately, better decision-making. But Brightflag's vision doesn't stop there. The company has its sights set on a much larger goal. It recognizes the need for a shift towards a world of fixed fees, moving away from the often convoluted and confusing realm of time-based billing. By leveraging cutting-edge technologies like GenAI, Brightflag is not just optimizing the management of outside counsel, it's paving the way for a more transparent and efficient legal billing landscape. In conclusion, Brightflag's GenAI system is not just a tool, it's a catalyst for change. A change that promises to make the world of legal tech more transparent, more efficient, and more in tune with the needs of businesses today. This is the revolution in legal tech, and it's happening right now. So, as we navigate this exciting new landscape, remember this. Brightflag's GenAI capability is not just leading the charge, it's setting the standard for the future of legal billing.